Every morning when I walk into the office, I feel a little nervous because I want to speak English well and make a good impression on everyone.
That feeling is completely normal, especially when you are working in a second language and trying to be professional at the same time.
I remember when I started here, and I also felt nervous because I was worried people would judge my English instead of my skills.
Sometimes I worry so much about making mistakes that I don't even want to speak, even when I have something important to say.
It is important to remember that communication is more important than perfect grammar, especially in a working environment.
When you speak calmly and clearly, people focus on your ideas, not on small mistakes in your sentences.
Hearing that makes me feel a little more relaxed, because I really want to participate more at work.
Feeling relaxed helps your brain work better, which means your English will also sound more natural.
I noticed that when I stopped being afraid, my English started improving much faster without extra effort.
I hope I can reach that point soon, because I want to feel confident when I speak at work.
You will reach that point with daily practice and patience, because confidence grows slowly but surely.
And every working day gives you a new chance to practice and improve.
Talking about your daily tasks is one of the easiest ways to practice English, because you already know what you are doing.
I usually do many small things during the day, but I don't know how to describe them in English.
You can start with simple sentences like saying that you are checking emails or preparing a report, and that is already very useful English.
Those sentences sound simple, but I can see how they are helpful in real work situations.
Simple and clear English is actually better in the workplace than long and complicated sentences.
When people understand you easily, communication becomes smooth and comfortable for everyone.
I feel more confident when I know people understand what I mean.
Confidence grows when communication becomes successful, even with simple words.
After some time, you will naturally start adding more details without even thinking about it.
That makes me feel hopeful about my progress.
Progress happens when you speak a little every day instead of waiting for the perfect moment.
1. Daily small efforts always create big improvements.
I feel very nervous during meetings because people speak fast, and I'm afraid I won't understand everything or say something wrong.
You don't need to understand every word to participate, because even small comments can show that you are engaged.
I started by saying short phrases like I agree or I have a question, and that helped me become more comfortable.
1. That sounds easier than trying to say long and perfect sentences.
Short and clear sentences are actually very professional and effective.
When you speak a little in every meeting, your fear slowly disappears.
I think I can try to say something small next time.
That small step will make a big difference in your confidence.
People respect effort, even if your English is not perfect.
I feel less scared now.
Facing fear is how confidence is built.
And each meeting makes you stronger.
Writing emails is a great way to practice English because you have time to think before you send them.
I often feel nervous before sending an email because I don't want to sound unprofessional.
I read my emails slowly and carefully, which helps me avoid mistakes and learn new expressions.
That sounds like a good habit.
When you write often, you naturally learn better sentence structure.
Over time, writing becomes easier and more natural.
I want to feel more confident when I write.
Confidence comes from writing regularly.
Every email is a small English lesson.
I like thinking about it that way.
Work gives you free English practice every day.
And that makes learning very efficient.
Sometimes I don't understand instructions, but I feel shy about asking because I don't want to look unprofessional.
Asking questions shows that you care about doing your job correctly.
I ask questions all the time, and it helps me avoid mistakes.
What if people get tired of explaining?
Clear questions save time for everyone.
People prefer questions to problems later.
That makes sense.
Simple questions are very professional.
Like saying, "Can you explain that again, please?"
I can use that.
And that will help your English and your work.
Both improve together.
Talking about your day at the end of work is a great way to review what you learned.
I can say that my day was busy or that I finished my tasks.
Talking about your day helps you practice past tense naturally.
That feels useful and easy.
Useful English is the best English.
When you talk about your day, your memory becomes stronger.
I like thinking about my progress.
Reflection helps you grow.
Growth builds confidence.
I feel better about my English now.
That feeling will continue if you keep practicing.
Every day matters.
When you make English part of your daily work routine, it slowly stops feeling like a foreign language and starts feeling like a normal communication tool.
I never thought about it that way, but I can see how using English every day would make it feel less stressful.
That's exactly what happened to me. Because the more I used English at work, the more natural it became without extra studying.
The key is not studying harder, but using English more often in simple and practical situations.
I like that idea because I already have many chances to use English during the day without creating extra work.
Even short conversations, like talking about tasks or asking small questions, help your brain build confidence.
I noticed that after a few weeks of daily use, I stopped translating in my head and started speaking more naturally.
That sounds amazing, because translating in my head makes me feel slow and nervous.
When English becomes part of your routine, your brain does not have time to panic anymore.
And when panic disappears, fluency begins to grow quietly.
I really want to reach that stage where speaking feels calm and normal.
You will reach it if you keep using English a little bit every single day. When you look back at how you felt about English before and how you feel now, you can clearly see that daily use creates real change.
I used to be afraid of speaking, but now I feel much calmer, even when I know my English is not perfect.
That calm feeling is the beginning of confidence, and it only grows stronger with regular practice.
Confidence does not come from grammar books, but from many small successful conversations.
I can see that now, because every time I speak, I feel a little stronger inside.
That strength helps you communicate more clearly and naturally.
When fear disappears, your real personality starts to show in your English.
I feel more like myself when I speak now, not just a nervous learner.
That is the true goal of learning a language.
Being able to express yourself freely is more important than being perfect.
I'm very happy that I didn't give up.
And that decision will continue to reward you in your career. If you continue using English every day at work, your skills and confidence will keep growing without you even noticing.
I now believe that I can become fluent one day, even if my English is not perfect yet.
I had the same feeling before, and that belief helped me continue when things were difficult.
Belief gives you the patience to keep practicing.
I am no longer afraid of making mistakes, because I understand that mistakes mean I am learning.
That mindset will protect your confidence in the future.
When you stop fearing mistakes, speaking becomes much easier.
I actually look forward to speaking English now instead of avoiding it.
That excitement will push you forward every day.
You are already on the right path.
Thank you for helping me change how I see English.
You're welcome, and remember that every conversation is a step toward fluency.